What will the message?
For me, I guess
the camp
tomorrow match is crucial, and Pakistan should focus on winning the
Pakistan
match
will be
by hosting, inshallah, more events as well.
And honest, and Taibe also we were hearing that Faisalabad might be one of the venues who will play this Test series.
Faisalabad has a good crowd, and we want our Manchester of Pakistan. So we want
the
the
Faisalabad and Hyderabad Stadium within 1.5 to 2 years to host matches here. How do you
The
see?
choices of international venues can be increased in Pakistan.
Also, anything you want to add on this? The IPF Masters Championship, I think you shared because of my family relationship.
Yeah, I know.
And
Yeah.
these players you've seen since with regards to political economy, because we see in PCB also there are bureaucrats basically
as a nation to promote these sports, we want like tennis, football, hockey to come back in Pakistan.
So there are lots of discussion happening sport in Taiwan and Nana Sahab with us today. How are you both?
Doing good, Akib. God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well.
I'm good.
Nana Sahab, how are you doing?
I'm good, Akib. What about you?
Nana Sahab, how do you see tomorrow's match between Pakistan and New Zealand?
Yes.
What do you say to Pakistan? What will the message?
For me, I guess
The camp
tomorrow match is crucial, and Pakistan should focus on winning the match by a huge margin. They should focus more towards their bowling, and they can make one change. They can bring Sufyan in the match, and they can drop Abrar as well.
Taibe, what do you want to say?
Akib, I totally second with Akil. They should give rest to the Abrar, include the Sufyan
is
in the
playing
side.
regularly.
Yeah, he is playing regular, but he still need rest, Akib, because his bowling is not up to the mark, especially in one days. He's a bowler of test matches, right? So I think on the other hand, Pakistani team should focus their on their winning streak. So they should convert this one win into multiplied by 100. No 10. If they will think about 100, then at least it will convert into 10. So that's the thing. They should come with the positive intent and try to prolong the series. And over last match, champ Hassan Nawaz should also welcome this inning with his again century as well.
And he should score in these two matches as well so that Pakistan
Yeah,
can
yeah,
proceed.
yeah.
And Taibe, you also shared the news that PCB has earned roughly 3 billion rupees profit from hosting ICC Champions Trophy 2025, and India was doing propaganda that PCB has faced a loss after hosting Champions Trophy because of
Okay,
fake news
look,
by the Indian media.
PCB has earned 3 billion. On the other hand, they lost 12 billion for construction the stadium. I think this 3 billion is
Will this
still a
money go in
loss.
pockets or with for the development?
Definitely in pockets. What we can do? Show me whatever money has received by PCB, where that money has been distributed, whether it has been given to players or any developmental programs. Where nothing. It just ruined in the air and no on ground development we have seen. At least myself haven't seen any development by this.
Also, what do you say about this? We were talking about yesterday that
Yes,
PCB has earned a lot
definitely.
of profit
These
from
are the
a mega tournament.
you can say like these are the long-term costs, and they should be treated as a capital cost, and because these stadiums are for around 20-30 more years. So for me, I guess please don't consider these costs. Please focus on the profits, what they have earned through Champions Trophy. And for me, I guess Pakistan are also focusing in updating their 3 more stadiums: Faisalabad, Multan, and Hyderabad. So I guess Pakistan is again coming in the international venue. So Pakistan will be hosting, inshallah, more events as well.
And honest, and Taibe, also we were hearing in news where you were speaking about Faisalabad, you were talking about the Bangladeshi series in May. We are hearing that Faisalabad might be one of the venues who will play this Test series, 41-day series and T20 series.
Yeah, Akib,
How do you see?
but
Maybe it could be a fake news.
But Akib, it could be a good news. But Akib, Faisalabad Stadium has been very horrible for me. Akib, it was a stadium back in 2005 where the career of great Shabir Ahmed, was ended by International Cricket Council just because of his action. This was the same stadium in which Afridi was banned for 2 matches for tampering the pitch, you know. So Akib, this stadium is not suitable for the Pakistan from the last 2 decades. But on the other hand, what I am seeing is this stadium, Akib, if we can build, but it will enhance the strength of our cricketing fans as well, because Faisalabadi fans will also be able to see the international matches on their home ground instead of they should travel Multan, Lahore, or Rawalpindi as well.
Melissa, what do you see? Because obviously Faisalabad is a venue where you can attract a lot of crowd. It's a
Yes,
small
yes.
city as compared to Lahore. You even see a lot of crowd that comes in.
Faisalabad has a good crowd, and we want our Manchester of Pakistan. So we want the stadiums. We definitely want some international matches to be played at for Faisalabad. So I guess this will be a good match between Pakistan and Bangladesh. But we are hoping that Pakistan should easily win these matches because last time when they played against Bangladesh, they have lost that series. But for this time, I guess Pakistan should try to win this series.
And Taibbi, also you shared a news that PCB CFO wants to upgrade the Faisalabad and Hyderabad Stadium within 1.5 to 2 years to host matches here. How do you see?
Please reiterate again. I just
You
forgot.
shared a statement of PCB CFO as well, Chief Financial Officer, that he wants to upgrade the stadium of Faisalabad and also Hyderabad. As we're talking about Faisalabad.
Yeah,
at the moment.
Akib, a development of the stadium is definitely for the well-being of the cricket nation. It's a good sign for Pakistani fans as well. As I already mentioned in the previous question, because Akib, Faisalabad fans, they have a international standard stadium in their home city, but they are unable to see an international match from the past few years. That's a very sorry state of affair, and it's a good sign that CFO has allocated full few budget for Faisalabad, Multan, Faisalabad, Hyderabad, and Multan. And Akib, we also have a good international stadium. We are forgetting my heart favorite city, Gujranwala. You know, it was the stadium where I think so Seemagram scored 200 plus runs. It was the Gujranwala. So Akib, why not we are not looking at the Gujranwala stadium?
I saw a video, I think that was Shekhupura Stadium, that the chairs were also broken. It was completely in bad state.
Yeah.
That stadium.
Even Akib, your Gymkhana club was also an international stadium back in
Bagajala.
early 90s. So I think there is a huge potential in Pakistan. We can birth or revamp few 3-4 stadiums. So choices of the international venues can be increased in Pakistan.
Also, anything you want to add on this with regards to stadium?
Definitely.
PCB wants to obviously increase the venues.
Increase
for
the venues
international-
because they want to have international matches. They want to have ICC events. So I guess these venues are crucial, and we also want Hyderabad, Multan, and Faisalabad stadiums also to be in the next event as well.
And Taibbi, lastly, before we conclude this video, you shared the news of tennis with regards to Asamul Haq and Akeem Khan
Asamul Haq.
winning the ITF Masters Championship. I think you shared because of a family relationship.
Yeah, I know.
And
Yeah.
these players you're seeing since childhood, they're still going very strong.
And Akib, you will be very happy, and I saw a smile on your face because
Assam
Assam
bhai,
is
our-
your first cousin and your family member. So please give special regard from myself.
We are trying to
Rana
also
Sahab
call
as
him on
well, to
Sports
Rana
Yes
Sahab
channel
as well.
as
Yeah.
well.
Asamul Haq is also have a close ties with the family of Rana Sahab as well. So Akib, it's a very good sign for you and for our tennis player as well. Yet you remember, I have seen him in the teenage, when he was in full
Even
action.
though he couldn't win at an international level.
Yeah, but Akib, he reached to the some international level finals as
US
well.
Open.
Yeah, his
He
duo
was
with,
welcomed in by crowd as well.
yeah, Akib, his duo with Indian player was very famous. Akib.
Rohan Bopana.
Bapana, yeah.
He came for his wedding also.
Yeah, he came for his backing as well. So Akib, it's a very good sign that at least the soul of the tennis has also been alive in our country as well by these our super senior players who are not in the field but they still promoted the tennis as well.
But Taibbi, I also heard that he was trying for presidency of tennis federation. Do you think that such players should be involved with the tennis federation rather than doing political and bureaucrat appointments and like we're seeing in PCB?
Yeah, Akib, I totally agree with you that Akib, nepotism and political engineering should be set aside.
It's ruining every department.
Not only in PCB, in sports sport or whatever, any
Even
field.
in this case, tennis here.
Tennis as well. So until unless political engineering won't be removed, we can't see any meritocracy and good thing in the field of sports, whether it's hockey, cricket, volleyball, gulli danda, football, kabaddi as well. Yes.
So anything you want to add on
Yes,
this with regards to
definitely.
political appointment? Because we see in PCB also there are bureaucrats basically running the PCB.
so-
It is really, really sad.
Even police services Pakistan was the manager of Pakistani team as well.
Taibbi, this is a shame.
So the state of affairs.
Yeah, we
And we are
want
complaining
these
why our sports are going down.
because you are not hiring people on merit. You are just hiring people on their positions. So for me, I guess Pakistan should try to hire the people who are on the merit, and we should try as a nation to promote these sports. We want like tennis, football, hockey to come back in Pakistan, and Pakistan should also want these sports as well.
Well, also, thank you
so much, Akib.
Tomorrow again we'll try to have a video set. If you like and subscribe to Sports here for more content like this season is goodbye from me, Rana Sahab, Taibbi and fan site. I think this is our fan. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, take care, Akib.